Every gym owner has a dream. A strong brand, a fully packed gym, and growing members. But what is the real reality? Daily calculations, registers, and an exhausting routine. Confusion in payments? Who came, who left? Nothing is ever clear. Files, notes, and constant calls. And one constant tension: is everything really running smoothly? And in the end, a silent gym, a lonely owner, and a heavy thought: was this really my dream? But now, there is a solution. Introducing Gym Fitness Club, a complete smart system that transforms the way you manage your gym. I want to see the pending members. What is the pool sales amount? Give me trainer sales. I need to see last 2 months' revenue. Tell me about Jafar. Give me revenue for January and April. Show me last 3 months' revenue. Show me the growth analysis. What is Jafar's contact number and email? Who are the pending members? Sent email to pending members? Also show the email live. Show me gym chart. Show pool chart. Show me all services. Show me last 2-month income. Add new members. Not just answers, but instant control. Any changes, any updates, instantly reflected. No manual work, no double entry. Your data stays synced, always up to date. Manage everything through simple chat, or a powerful dashboard. Even on your mobile, through Telegram. Just type, and your business responds. From gym, to pool, to trainers. Track every service, every month, every program. Visual charts, detailed reports. Revenue breakdown. Gym fee, trainer fee, pool fee. Know your business inside out. Members detail, paid and pending, all in one place. Now, step into a bigger picture. Move to your laptop, and experience your entire business on one powerful screen. On the left, a clean, simple menu. Dashboard, members, finance, and settings. Inside the dashboard, get a complete overview. All months, all services. Track your total revenue, pool revenue, trainer revenue, gym fee revenue. Know your numbers instantly. Monitor your members, total members, paid members, pending members, even your growth percentage, all in one place. Interactive charts, detailed graphs, each service, each month. Clear insights that help you make smarter decisions. Need member details? Access complete profiles, anytime? Manage your finances with ease. Add new expenses, electricity bills, salaries, maintenance costs. Everything recorded, everything organized. See expense versus revenue comparison in powerful visual graphs. Know exactly where your business stands, and in settings. Customize your gym name, admin details, set auto refresh intervals, and save everything effortlessly. Send emails to pending members directly from your dashboard. And even track notifications live. This is not just software. This is complete control. A smarter, faster, more powerful way to run your gym, If you want an application like this, contact us today and transform your gym into a smart business.